Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to save space and storage from WhatsApp forwards, so let's jump right in. It's pretty simple and easy. If you use Android device, tap on three lines at the top left corner and then proceed to settings. If you use iPhone iOS device, tap on settings at the bottom right corner. From now any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS devices are the same. We should proceed to storage and data. And on Android device you will see auto download and you should tap on any of cellular data and Wi-Fi connection and unmark all photos, audio, video and documents in every selected link. So on iPhone device we should tap on photos, tap on never, go back, select audio, tap on never, go back, select video, tap on never, go back, select documents and select never. So why we should do it? It's auto download any of documents, photos, audios and videos. This means when you open any of chats on your WhatsApp app, WhatsApp try to download all photos and images. So now we just disable this option. This means if you want to check any of photo or video, you should just tap on this photo or video to download it and watch what is it. We save space and storage on our devices because we not download all photos and videos from group chat that we have on WhatsApp. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.